Greetings, the world of the internet. I am the great Matthew Squeak, and welcome to Squirrel Talk at the Movies. Today, I went to go see our favorite super agent,
Bond. James Bond.
This is Spectre. The characters. It's James Bond. What else can I say here? I will dwell more on the villains here, as the main puppet master of the film has some history with Bond that pertains to other films that I either haven't seen or do not remember. But it's not to say that you cannot follow the history between these two, and follow this final confrontation between them. The other villain of the story practically goes around through the whole movie shouting, "I'm the villain!" Yet people still gave him all this power, and it's like, he was the villain all along. Yeah, that was pretty obvious. The plot. The bad guys are trying to do something. They're definitely trying to do something. They are trying to make their Skynet thing go online, and that's bad, because James Bond will be out of the job, and we don't like these people. Yes, the villains never really seem to give me a good reason what it is that they were after, besides getting back at James Bond. At least Bond seemed to know what he was doing to the whole thing, so that was alright. Design? I have to say that it was a little lackluster for a James Bond film. It had its explosions, its car chases, and its fight scenes like all the others, but they just didn't seem to be as cool, or at least not as a finale for this particular Bond. Overall, it's still a James Bond film, and it's still good, despite any flaws it might have. If you're a fan of his, go see this movie. And now, a moment with previews. A feel-good racial movie based on true events. Can't complain, these usually turn out well. It's Star Wars! But why does this commercial make it look like it's going to be filled with drama? Please do not be filled with drama. Do not walk the path of the Muppets! Ride Along 2. I did not see the first one. It looked bad. This one looks worse. The Revenant. A bloody revenge story could be interesting. In the Heart of the Sea, based on true events that inspired Moby Dick. Call it what it is. This is just another adaptation of the same thing with the desperate attempt to stand apart from the others. Concussion. Another feel-good racial movie based on true events, also involving sports. But this one has Will Smith in it. And that is all. So, I am the great Matthew Squeak, and this is Squeal Talk at the Movies.